Your air conditioning system is more than a luxury, it's essential. Your home and business can't function without it. And with all the stress of life and work, the last thing you need to worry about is your system shutting down. To limit any issues, you should be proactive and call HVAC 911 to schedule routine maintenance with the best HVAC service technicians in the industry today. Unlike most household systems, air conditioning units sit outside, exposed to the elements year-round. They face wear and tear even when they aren't running. That's why annual service by top-notch HVAC technicians is a must. Every year, no matter the unit's age, your system should be inspected and maintained so that when the weather changes and your system needs to work its hardest, it's ready to go. Before temperatures soar, call our contractor referral network to connect with experienced local service techs and schedule your annual AC maintenance right away. Count on HVAC 911 to keep you cool all summer long for years to come. HVAC 911. Emergency HVAC service just one click away.